Welcome to Time Out.
Hi, welcome to Time Out Season 3, and this season is called
Snacks and Ladders.
Snacks and Ladders, yes. Snacks and ladders, because these are snacks that kids can take with them to school, as well as tiffin boxes moms can pack for them. So today we're going to do something different, which is a tasty snack when they come home after school, which is popsicles. Right, Daria?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, today's popsicle is called Peepops.
Peepops.
Do you know why it's called Peepops? Because it's got peanut butter in it. Daria, why do you like peanut butter?
Because it has so many peanuts.
That's good, because you know why? Peanuts are really actually good for your hair and nails. So let's go ahead and start with Peepops today.
And the ingredients are bananas, peanut butter, plain yogurt, honey.
Okay, Daria, now that we have all the ingredients in front of us, let's first chop up the banana.
Banana.
So how many bananas do we need for this recipe? 3.
Please.
Okay.
What's name?
What color knife do you want?
Pink.
Pink. Go ahead and peel your banana. Good job. Thank you. Okay, now let's go ahead and
Pink.
scoop these bananas in. Come on.
Pink. Scoop it like magic.
Okay, Daria, now that we put the bananas in, let's put in the peanut butter. Can you grab a spoon? Come on. Grab a spoon. Take a huge scoop. Come on. Tap it, tap. Thank you. Okay, Daria, now that we have put in the bananas and the peanut butter, next comes the...
Yogurt.
Yes. The last ingredient, Daria, is honey. I need 2 spoons. Okay, Daria, now that we've put everything in here, I'm going to go ahead and blend it, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Daria, and now that we have everything blended, we're gonna put them in this cute little popsicle container. Are you ready to help me?
Yeah.
Let's remove all of them. Okay. And we are going to pour it slowly, okay?
It's gonna go so funny.
It's kind of like thick ice cream, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like really thick ice cream. It's gonna taste really amazing because of all the peanut butter
And the honey.
and the banana. Okay, Daria, the fun part about this popsicle tray is the fact that it has different shapes for all of them. So we have to find the correct shape. Like this is a circle.
This is a square.
This is a...
Star.
That is a
Rectangle.
rectangle. This is a triangle.
Triangle.
Here, you put the last star in. Great, perfect. And now this is ready to freeze, and we're gonna have some yummy popsicles later on. Let's take out a popsicle. Yay! You wanna try some? Oh, I guess you're ahead of me.
You try now.
How is it? It's got her favorite, peanut butter. All right, this is a great snack for you to make at home when you have peanut butter lying around from breakfast and you just kind of want to throw something in together and you say, hey, let's make something really, really delicious and easy to eat. Throw in some bananas, a couple of ingredients, and you're ready to go. It's a great popsicle to have after school and it gives you a burst of energy. So try your popsicle while we try ours. Bye.
Please subscribe.